It is not as pretty as it was years ago. Uh, I'm gonna take and clean all this up, but my main focus now, I'm gonna pull these heads, at least one side, because um, I was under the impression this is LQ4, could be an LQ9. When I got this engine, had 190,000 miles on it. Didn't have, sitting on the floor, so I didn't get to hear it. But I got a good deal on it, so I'm not tripping on that. And it ran, didn't smoke. I do have a big time lifter tick now. Doesn't have a transmission behind it. So a whole lot of things is missing. But whistle gang, it's got to go down, man. So hopefully we have a big S475 sitting over there. TH 350, 400, 4L80 something out back. And I'm thinking about just 4L80, make it full manual, and just get a cheap converter, you know, 2800, 3000 stall converter, and ride, because I don't have to do nothing with my drive shaft. If I go TH400, do something with the drive shaft. I go TH350, gotta do something with my drive shaft. I do have a full manual TH400 with a trans brake, which would be awesome. I mean, fun. But I ain't into keep changing transmissions after transmissions. I did enough of that on Blanco. Actually, you know, once I want to put a trans in this and then call it good. I'm gonna clean all this up, mind you. You know, it looks rough right now. It's gonna get cleaned up. Another thing is, you gotta remember now, this thing's been sitting for 5-6 years, and it's nobody's fault but my own. I need to get that block off plate, the heater box, AC heater block off. I don't plan on putting AC in this. It's a convertible. So we're gonna get it, man. Okay, all the bolts are loose. Here's the test of time. Let's see if I got a LQ4 or LQ9. I was, like I said, under the impression that this is an LQ4. But one thing I do notice is it has that short bolt up top also. That's where I might have to get a little creative. I have to get a little creative. Pull all these bolts. Do the passenger side first because it's easier to get to. I don't have a brake booster in the way. That is a brand new brake booster that I installed some years ago. There he is. The short bolt, which is telling me if 04 is correct. And just like that, here we go. LQ4, y'all. LQ4. Again, I ain't mad about it, but I do have to change these lifters. These lifters are tapping pretty hard over here, this side. So I'm gonna change both side lifters. Again, I'm gonna change the cam. Just follow this build. I'm gonna clean the heads up, razor blade them. I wish I had some electricity over here. Suck that water out with vacuum. Looks like I'll just take a towel, sop it out. I'm a WD-40 to snot at all this. Look at the cylinder walls. Cylinder walls look good. I'm not gapping these rings. So, you know, 8, 9, 11 pounds of boost. I think I should be fine. I'll find out. I will find out. I'm going with LS9 head gaskets, 706 heads, and a Summit? No, Texas Speed cam. Turbo cam. she's loose. Should be able to just drop that, pull that. And I did use the 3/8 extension, a piece of pipe from my jack. And now the bolt is loose enough to where I can pull it tight, or tight. I might turn it by hand, to be honest. Yeah. So I think I might be getting ahead of myself though, because I have not pulled out one lifter. I need to get these lifters out. Like I said, because the passenger side had quite a bit of noise. So I want to make sure that I get it out. Those lifters out. And like I said, those other ones were good lifters. New, brand new. These 190, these lifters had 190 on them. When I got the engine, said to be 190, ain't no telling. Motor's clean though. Of course, if you can see, you can't see it. So, let me get the lifters. I got a big magnet. Let me show you. Auto freight job. This is my magnet I'm gonna use to pull the lifters out of the positions. 10mm socket, pull the trays out, and then I'll go down through there and pull the lifters out. One thing I can say is driver's side head, with a head mount up, is a lot cleaner than the passenger side. A lot cleaner. I'll hit it with an emery cloth and some degreaser. Same thing I'm gonna do with the other heads. Emery cloth, degreaser. Wipe them down with a clean rag. LS9 head gaskets. Bolt them dudes in with the studs. Like I said, it's gonna be a series. I appreciate y'all watching, man. If y'all got any other suggestions on what I may be doing wrong or easier way to do things, I know an air ratchet or a compressor would make this process quicker. You know, I don't have that, so I do what I can do, how I can do. I'm going, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and loosen up these what are they called? Lifter tray bolts, 4 of them, 10mm. Get the lifters out, and then loosen up my bolts for my, what are they called? My timing cover. So let me get them loose. I'll get back with y'all. All right, we back. I mean, who wants to see somebody work a ratchet for loosening up bolts? Yep, I'm gonna have to. I'll be back with y'all. You need to get out, Mike? You need to get out? All right. We back. I had to move my vehicle. Oh, I'm at, man. My neighbors there had to get out, so I had to move my vehicle for him. Lift the tray, just lift right out. Looked like they wanted to hold the actual lifters a little bit. Man, I wish I had somebody to set some of this stuff. I got a little place. Like I said, I'm gonna use the magnet, pull them lifters out. That one's already out, as you can see. Lifter out. Don't look bad, but I see it. I see it. I don't know if y'all can see it. Let me see if you can look in there. It is stuck. The actual lifter is stuck down. It's supposed to be up against the spring. I don't know. Let me see if I can get y'all in there. See it? See it right there? Like that? That cap's supposed to be up against that locking spring. Well, it's not. So, chances are this lifter wasn't pumping up. Not saying it's not salvageable in a have-to case. I'm not saying that. I'm gonna pull another one, and it's the exact same way. Another one, same way. It's got oil in it. See oil in it, but watch. Pull the oil out, but it's shot. That same way. That was way down in there. Way down in there. So, like I said, I know I had a lifter tick, man. Hey, and another thing, y'all be careful, man, when y'all pulling these bolts out that hold your lifter trays in. Don't let them dudes fall back in your motor in any way. Because if you do, you're going to be doing double the work. Looks like all of them is this way. Yeah, man, all of them are down. All of them. All of them on the passenger side are down. So, not saying that they won't pick back up and start throwing oil again, because the tap went away after a while. But I knew that with this motor sitting as long as it has, it'd be an issue. Like I said, who wants to see me taking bolts out? I wish I could reposition y'all again. I think I might be able to reposition y'all to be able to see a little bit more of what's going on, but all I'm doing is taking the magnet and pulling the lifters out. I'm trying to keep from dropping bolts in the engine. I don't know why is it that on the passenger side, I know it's got something to do with the venting of the head, but look at the driver's side, passenger side. You can still see the color, what color the lifter tray is on passenger side. You cannot see the color it is on the driver's side. So y'all look, take that into consideration when you get a motor that's probably been setting for a long time. All these lifter caps, which are supposed to be up against this spring, if I'm correct, they're not. None of them are. On both sides of the engine. So this is where we at, y'all. Top end's off, lifters are out. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this, pull the cam. Like I said, radiator's got to come out, and I'm gonna get those things taken care of off camera. Not sure if y'all know how to pull a camera. There's plenty of videos out there to do it. I'm sorry that this is not a how-to. But you can see how nasty the piston is. I'm gonna go ahead and clean the tops of the pistons up. And I'm going to find a shop vac and a way for me to suck, you know, get all this fluid out of here, all this nastiness. Like I said, I sprayed this side with WD already. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this side with WD, and then spray some degreaser and some paint. We're gonna paint this motor. I ain't going back orange. No, I ain't going back orange. I'm going back orange. I'm gonna go black. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Give it a like, give it a subscribe. This is the turbo build that is inspired by the subscribers. Big shit y'all rocking with me, man. Just keep following the build. Team No Shop in here. Whistle gang, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that whistle gang for me. If y'all been this far along in the video, y'all followed it, y'all been to it, go ahead and hashtag whistle gang for me, please. Go ahead and hit that subscribe. Go ahead and share it, man. And I'm not saying that any information that I'm passing along to y'all is the right information, but I'm trying to help here. You know what I'm saying? It's working for me, and it has worked for me. So, you know, we're gonna go that route and see what happens. Peace. Be blessed.